going to show you like how to dress up as a dog. You can have there's so many options, but yeah. So first you have to click on this arrow, then go to avatar. Then I will be doing this cute fluffy dog, which is very aesthetic, and there will be some things that is not part of it a little bit. So first you will have to go to body, and you will have to search mini berry colorful, and then I'll search it mini berry colorful. There we go. Now you will see this cute icon in the first one, and then it will say mini berry colorful, which is perfect. Now I want you to do is only take the legs, the torso, and the arms. So yeah, but do not take the head because that's not what I took. Now you clip it on. Then you will have to get this like head that's called teddy bear colorful dynamic head. So you search teddy bear colorful, and then you see this first one. You will also have to click on the first one, and you will have to get the head. As you can see that I'm gonna go here, and you can change. You want brown? Do you want you've got white? You've got all these types of things, but for me, I chose white. Now for the accessories, we go on to and then search flower. You see all these options, but I'd rather choose this one because it's really cute. Now you go to head and search ears. Oh wait, not that kind of ears. Bear or dog ears. You just type the color in. So I'm gonna go with dog. Dog ears. And see, you've got lots of options, which is cute though. Okay, actually search bear dog ears. You see, and now you will see this one. The top options are right there, and you see I chose this one. If you want to have this, it's okay, white neck fluff or something, but I chose that. Now you go at the and just search white tail. Now you see there's many options. There's this tail. Oh, that's too long. Okay, this is cute. And yeah, this one is definitely okay. So you can choose all these options, but before I'd rather have the other one. So yeah, and that's it, guys. So bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope this works.